great day. So today we're going to talk about what's going on in the stock market and why it's moving in the way it is. So first thing first, we have interest rate decision decided by the Fed, which they said 7 interest rate hikes plus tapering. So I'm not really sure how we're bullish right now, but let's see what the market is telling us. I'm more of a technical trader, so my levels were defeated, and no more bearish sentiment for now, right? So let's take a look here. So we have a low here, we have a higher low, a higher low. This was broken down, this level tested again, it pushed higher. Now we have a higher low here. The market moved very volatile. As you guys can see, this is a hammer candle in the 1 hour time frame, and you can see how long this wick is. So sellers started to push, and all these buyers came in this area. This is the area that was tested yesterday before the push higher here. So this area was retested, and now it's testing this area around 43.60. We want to wait and see how price consolidates, and it needs to clear 4,400 with momentum and volume behind it. Otherwise, this could fail very nicely, and this could set up to be like a this is one top, this is another top, and a rejection again. So we can have like 3 rejections in this supply area. So this is why you have to look at multiple time frames before you either change, adapt, or just say invalidate your hypothesis. All right, so my downtrend hypothesis still stays intact until the bigger supply zone, which is up here, okay, is defeated. All right, so let's have a look at NQ. Tech, once again, with the interest rate hikes, don't see how tech is going to be. It's going to be good for tech in the future, but let's see here. So overall, what the market is telling us, we have more buyers and sellers coming in around here. We can see that. So continuous, more gradual buying in this area. So we try to push up higher. We were unable to do so. More supply came here, and now sellers are finally in control with this long candle. Okay, so what we want to see here is we want to see sellers take out this level, which is 14,030, and push above to 14,200, right? And then we want to see some sort of price consolidation before the next move higher here. However, this move is getting vertical. A retest of 13,800 is perfectly fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but we want to see this level hold if bulls are going to be in control to push higher to about 14,256. All right, so that's NQ. Let's look at Dow Jones. Daily. Dow's back here testing this area again. Okay, this is once demand, now supply area. This is where sellers are in control. This is where it tested. So you see price has chopped on in the new range here, right? Price is consolidated between the new range. So these ranges right here. And now if we look at the wave for a second, the wave down, they're much stronger right now. So we want to see a bounce, which is a smaller wave down, and we want to see a push up, which is stronger to confirm the trend. But also we want to see buying volume come in. We don't want to see like 2 more, let's say we don't want to see the next 2 days there's a lot of selling going on. So it's important to hold these levels, right? So Dow Jones right now, this is an important level, starting to turn back towards a higher consolidation. We can see if it holds, okay? So Russell, or small caps. All right, so small caps are trying to bounce here, trying to have a day, and they're trying to get to the zone right here. So if the small caps can get here, this is still in the consolidation. It's a break below, or they're still in the supply zone of the consolidation. Okay, so this is no longer, until price can cross above here, this level, we are no longer going to be considered bullish on IWM at all. It's just literally consolidation of price. Okay, so there's nothing to do with the small caps for now. They are consolidating now. That's something to keep an eye on. Let's look at gold. Gold, I believe my trade was invalidated. Okay. Yeah, well actually no, it's still in play. 175 is the stop I have. Okay, so we have, if we look at the weekly on gold, we have a long exhaustion right here coming back to test. But if something I want to pay attention to and stress here is the volume. There's a lot of green volume over the past few weeks and months. that you can say, okay, this is a consolidation that's happening, maybe some profit taking that's happening. We want to wait until 175 is broken down and we can possibly test 166. That's where I'll be watching for a change of trend. But for now, gold is still bullish. We can see a bounce here. People are getting too caught up in the moment, right? So let's look at crude oil, last one. Crude oil is testing this important support zone. If this level fails, we're going to see crude fall down further, okay? Now, the other thing I want to focus on is using trading economics, okay? This is a free source that you guys have available. Give me a second here. Yeah, so you guys want to use this, okay? We want to go to economics and we want to go to impact over 3, and we want to focus on today's numbers, okay? So the interest rate decision is to increase interest rates up to this much. If we look at the 25-year chart here, 2008 interest rates were around this price, okay, around 6%. Okay, so this is in 2000. Right now, we just started going up here, and there's going to be 7 or 8 hikes. So we're going to be in this range again, okay? And remember where the market is. So just realize how interest rates work with, the markets. How will this fare for tech? Right, so we'll keep an eye on that.